Yeah. Now, the next story, a story way. Yoko has recovered 15.1 million defrauded from Ghanaians in an online investment scheme dating back to 2019 through virtual assets like cryptocurrency. Yoko, from 2019, fraudsters are on internet so using different kinds of applications and softwares and programs. From 2019, sika beye $15.1 million. And these boys on the internet in Ghana defrauding Ghanaians. And sa sika we are on the internet so far so area free Ghana for no nipa bebre ahwere omo nkwa. Ebi mo life savings were taken away. Obu ha sika odi ato ne phone so odi ato na account mu a odi kwa koto moja ama ne maame because you see week bia onto moja ama ne maame yare sa sika na yiraye ne maame yewu. You are telling me say we should hail crime and start to say election 2028 is in the corner. Let's get real. $15.1 million. People, Ghana for more Ghana. Yanyamre bunia, yes say, yam penemi for munkwe, omubi area Ghana for. But you know the effect? Because Antuwinti Wajuniya will say, this is normal. Until say, yado papa said you sika beto accounts na no papa so check account na sa sika in them because obi send you link keke na umia so na o papa said you sika na 20 million 30 million 40 million 300 million na also orko tua ochina no obo se obe show papa one person no wu. That is what we are talking about. That is the danger. You have no idea. People are hurting people, defrauding people. So mami entiran kasa anyhow. Let us not hail crime. Let us not try and make excuses and say adani abechi we ko America. There is an extradition agreement between the government of Ghana and the United States of America. It is a why you so be free America ni wa. Also tia say America for kwan so mbeba befa wo de wako. We need to understand these things. All these monies were taken from Ghanaians, and most of the people are sa sika we nyina free omonsano omumu nipa bebrewu. There are people are ye defraud momo so keke. Sa momo ne defraud mo no obi atwa the person collapsed and died. Enyo maaminti. It hasn't affected you. It has never been you. Now the day it will be you, you understand the actions of these kids, whether domestically or outside. It is crazy. So let us respect these things. Yenya opportunity to speak. Mami ama imbebrune enjene say they have the right to do everything or anything. We need to let them understand. Emra okronim. Mamenchro. The reason why African Americans in America they die a lot is because, with all due respect, we live here with them. Majority of them just don't want to go by the rules of the land. And I'm running in a pleasing. As an African living in America, and I'm running in a pleasing. And one thing about humans, we don't like Emra too much. But this is how the people build their nation. So if you are willing to live here, you have to go by the law. So that is why when you try to fight the law in a way that you know is wrong, the law is going to consume you. Okay? There are so many people who are dead in Yeshuto, America. Not because racism is real in America. Racism. And when we say racism in America, don't say white and black. There's black on black racism. There's white on white racism. So don't oti racism in America. Memo ajin yo say broni bi ene tutun to siogu eye bibini bi so. No. When you talk about racism, there's black on black racism. There's white on white racism. There's white on black racism. So don't sit there when you hear racism. Oh, the issue is the reason why most people are they be also way to police vote in the. Listen, one of the basic things that it can get you killed in America. And if it was in Ghana, most of you young people will be dead as I speak. In America, when you run lights and I say offer red light moi, you get a ticket. Yani eti DC ano offer light moi, a federal ticket. Baby, I bet you $50. No, this I bet you $200. Now, so run a light, and I say offer red light na machine trout na a capture card no, a capture car number plate, a capture information. Na omu maili bro say offer a light we mu into a $50 tier. Now Gmail no, now touch no problem. Osako for another light na camera ni trout na capture number plate a G information in you were supposed to drive 15 and I will drive maybe at 35 20. Now omu maili bro say bitia now touch when those tickets pile up, at a point, they become warrant. And in say, so those tickets, when they keep coming, and you keep ignoring them, at a point, those tickets will turn into warrants. Now, what happens is they say, so what New York City, what Washington, D.C., what Virginia, Maryland, wherever. Every police officer, because some number plate, say a Virginia number plater, say a DC number plater, sa baby a what no, sa state no. Every police officer or patrol bia computer city car no, your number plate has been turned, the warrant atoso. Or license automatically. Sa tickets not build it up, I could do warrant. When you man not build it for months and months and sometimes years. It turns into warrant. In Tiakata Fono, they ignore simple tickets. That is at the end of the day, not going by the rules, not going by the law. But some people feel they can do what they want to do. Now, so when a police car, trafficking, maybe the police car is going somewhere, and on a baby, and a police in a bedinichi. And a police say, you know what, let me run this car because they do it. Or do it here. There's a computer in the car. Or bet the number plate, I say, this car is not stolen, and I say, we need to take it to be a. About number, no, that's who said, this car. Who plate no warrant daso take it also with ya wentia e ho na beti we akata for no tesa we na subconsciously onim so warrant da no so because onim say there are a lot of tickets onya ya wentia onim, so majority of them try to speed off. That is what brings the confrontation into the moment of beti we onim say ya china or ko jail. And that moment, for all you know, Abia, there are some things in the car crowd. They are not supposed to be in the car. Because Obia, Yaman the tickets, bear 15 times one piano, that person, the likelihood would say he's carrying contraband in his car is high. Now, the moment he hears that, police is in the boy, we, Gina, Boswa Wasso. The moment Obe Wasso, you have become a target to that police officer. At that point, you are a dangerous person. Into Albany in our psyche home. What stopped you from stopping for him to come and approach you? What stopped you from parking? So in his head, while prepared that you can take his life and he needs to protect himself. Or do a chiana of friend colleagues, they say, the moment of a backup, that means who nothing there. Oh, ship it through. Or do a chiana finally, or be park with china or park it. Oba and sisi because onim say you are a dangerous person. Now Sandy Panotica no one on percent obeko jail. 2 onim say osa onyoma bi okadima ebi ani say okari sa anyoma no. So that person is finding ways. Ebi the person is intoxicated. Ebi onu kwa wanom nsa and I say ebi wabo wi and I say wanu cocaine. You don't know. What happens is anytime the police comes and say hello sir, hello madam, how are you? They start to get confrontational. Because normally when people are guilty, they are more confrontational. That is what sparks those. Because remember, police no kutetuno. He has so many reasons to explain himself. So if you don't even want it to get to that point, pay your ticket. Do not run from him. Try and explain yourself. Because the person in the car, and I'm not saying say all of the time, the police are right. No. Some of the police are deliberate. They are racist. They want to do this. But don't give them the reason. Do not give them that reason. I will never say America police have only been here. They are. There are some police officers in some places. It does not matter. But I'm talking about a general issue here. Into pay that. You need to sit and ask yourself why a particular group of people. It is because people commit crimes and you don't have to hold a gun to commit a crime. There are so many crimes that are committed without shooting anybody. You can drive from my house maybe 10 miles. Sakwana when I'm not committing crime by 5 because you have run 5 lights. Ticket. A crime. The reason I'm talking about this thing and say, me Martina Kromha, I've been stopped only twice. Martin America almost 15 years, but I've been stopped only twice by a police. The first one, he stopped me. I parked. He asked me, why did you run this light? I said there was a car before me. The driver was distracting me because I didn't know whether he was going left or right, so I decided to go around him. Or assess the situation, or Jamie car, or Jamie license. Or we say I have a clean license. He told me he believes that this is a genuine mistake. I shouldn't do that again. The second time, police jiname, nobody the car about me car too. That's it. Many police in your confrontation. One thing I am scared about is ticket. My wife does not want ticket to last in my house for more than 2 days on pay. When tickets me run, I know Obia will be fear running lights. Not ticket to buy in 24 hours. It needs to be paid. You don't create opportunities for these things. I am running with him. And Imrano sometimes, you know, and ya obia na eden, and you did ye, especially when somebody like me, somebody who is black like me, you cannot sit in America and say, "Maybe I live in a neighborhood that is a rich neighborhood, so you are isolated." You are not. You are under. You can anything that is happening to somebody out there can happen to me. Anything happening to any black person on the street can happen to me. So I need to understand the laws are important to live within. And to me, I don't carry myself. When I'm driving, I have this thing in my head. Maybe I'm in a very nice neighborhood. They don't fucking care. They see people equal before the law. And that is what you need to understand. And some when you about Ghana, 90% of you cannot get on the street. 90% of you will not drive in Ghana. It is easy. So try not to put yourself in a position that will be so difficult for you, your parents, your family. Do not do that. Masa, embre wo kurum ha no. Se bogus na honest with you. I am telling you. Se bogus no beso me no kra with you. O compound do so be America, obekwa abrochire. Emra wo kurum America kurum nipa ni omote wo emra eni emra ne te no. Majority of you people, you cannot live in that. Ghana is peaceful and safe and easy. Don't put yourself in a situation where you are going to struggle. Let the fast lane go. Inti, Ghana me crime to say it is something. I bet you will be into the whole Ghana. It should go down. Why this person? I didn't think I bet you will be. I didn't think I bet you will be because of what they did. It's because of what they did. The reason why Ghana I cannot drive is because I stay out of Ghana for almost 8 years. I'm back Ghana. I thought I could drive in Ghana. Now I'm just to my driving. From the airport to home. When I'm catching I can't drive in Ghana again. Not because we will be out of Ghana. Because I don't want to put anybody in danger. For 8 years, I stay out of Ghana, me back Ghana. When I was coming to Ghana, I told myself I was going to drive my car. I have my car parked in Ghana. I have my place. We drew Ghana. I'm a driver every airport. You ever find me free airport and me could do fee. And when I'm catching, I can't drive. Not because I'm better than anybody driving in Ghana. It is because I don't want to put anybody in danger. Because I don't want to cause any problems. Because I might try and follow some rules. It is rules I am following in Ghana. In that process, I might hurt somebody. I might create more problems. So I will allow somebody who basically is comfortable and understand. So I wouldn't get into a problem where I'm going to knock somebody down in Ghana with my car because I don't even want to get in front of the steer in the first place. I don't want to do it. I don't want to even get to the position where stop sign. Stop sign. Because impulse. Because my driver had channel, me who stop sign. My dream say many ticket into also be jina. Ebia sex to the mechi. When who passenger with the name or pen in term or be claim me. My kids are in the car, my wife is in the car, my mom might be in the car, I might lose a family member. So at that point, I will not even indulge myself. And this is common sense 101. Common sense 101. Inti mama ma crime and yet say, yeah, beto abanti obi di bone. Musa adenti na kuffour do mote so no. Adenti na sa America for amba kuro amba chinipa. Adentra. Then it means somebody was covering up for somebody. It means somebody was making things easy for some people to dupe some people. Then it means some people were not doing their job. Today, when people start to do their job, then it becomes political. Why is it said people who were into this were not arrested? Because some people decided to protect some people to commit the crime. In Ghana alone, $15.1 million. You and I, our money, and for AUZ, internet, free and sim. So don't let us not any opportunity to sit on TV, on radio, as hosts, as guests. Let us not justify anything called crime. Hey, Obindu Boneda, I have been robbed in Ghana before. I've been attacked by armed robbers before. Yes, in Takrady. Don't ever underestimate Obi person do bonnet. I have been attacked with guns. When I show you pictures, you cry. It let us not justify anything called a crime. For politics, beto abanti obi di bone. Masa, udi bonia embrane bechew. I'm going to say this, and I'll say it anytime I get the opportunity. So when you're ready, dear, men di bone no. So otam Americani. So otam Americani sika. Na America for some bechew. Masa, embrace it to Okroma and on. Say, kasi a camera ni biachra. And people who live here should be telling people in Ghana. Ghana na obiasesa school fogu ka ba akum nipa 30 40 na me na ka na chia. Aha say, u di school ka chia. The school ka ni jina na stop sign ni pie. U ye president kra so twen. Wo betima say no Ghana. U di school ka chi. School bus chi. Na school bus ni jina 50 times. E also jina 50 times. E twen school bus no. Untumi yimfa ho. The moment the signpost comes out, untumi bypass the school bus no. So call papa ye kura or so chain. Oh, you're the president of the republic. You will have to wait. That is some of the laws. Yet krum near parking kamu na. No, it doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. So school bus too. Now it does not matter why you're late 2 minutes. The moment a bus ni bejina wo nim na wo bus ni chi. Ask school for this year. Stop signing, you cannot bypass the bus. Ubetman Ghana. Driver when Jimmy ana unimnyansa. Na na park on person obi abekobi onko baby also e jantra for no komo. Driver when Jimmy na school for it because the country of person protecting kwara. The reason why school bus jina wa wo de chintumi ma na wa wo ne nimu ntumi ba na say akwara every school bus ma maybe akwara bi wo or psychological problem obetuma be twaka room obetuma fa car dechi obetuma e bibia so they make sure say akwara bi esi e ma mo say parent bia so na akwara mu before the bus the stop sign into mo amu ko everybody stops for the bus to finish what they are doing. Say akwara 50 and the car ma say 30 minutes the bus will have to wait for the 50 kids to all get down or get on the bus. Emra we ni etimu ha. We are busy chairman ameti America. We are busy chairman. We are busy chairman ameti America. Okra woni baby krampo wo se won ti ase. Now how much more me? You people should understand. Nobody should make that argument. It's the same Ghana will be better now 8 years. Now for a defrauding for identity because people decided to defend crime. Under MPP, crime was being defended, crime was being protected. People put out a lot of real estate by duping people in Ghana. There are so many real estates in East Legon, Cantonment, they are empty. So many houses in Ghana, they are empty because some government allows some people to wash their monies. Who was he going against? Now then I buying son and the America for to be baba chinipa. Undi boni America ni bechew. Kwame amwako awoti asankrigwa. Adana FBI bechew. It is because you have not committed a crime. You have not engaged in something illegal. I will say this is the time we need to be asking questions. Say, why is it, say, after 8 years, now say we are seeing Americans come in because there's a treaty to come and pick people up. And the kuffour, this is when we need to start asking questions. What was wrong? More than say 8 years of a kuffour, Obian committed crime. There was no fraud, a romance fraud. There was nothing. The Americans, why didn't they come inside? Because some people blocked them from coming. Because not a benefit politicians be. Because some politicians were part of the crime. They were working with these fraudsters to wash money. But should we always be at the receiving end? Is this how we wanted to bring up our kids? This is not how we wanted to bring them up. It does not matter sika abedi ni pensem se kronfo ko wie sika. It does not matter what the kronfo uses the money for. Obetumi to schools 30, obetumi si asori dan 50, obetumi hwe nipa 50 school. It is still not right. When you go to these countries to say Mexico, Venezuela, and all these places do you have money more than the cartels? Still, the DEA is able to enter their country to go bring Escobar ne El Chapo money ade. Are you powerful than them? Do you know what Escobar ne El Chapo, do you know what they were doing for their people? But wrong is wrong. Crime is crime. That is what we need to understand. We need to understand, say, bonnet ya bonnet. Don't get yourself involved. We need to psych the young people to understand. Let us not create an impression, say, they can do things and that when they go wrong and we are coming after them, it is a politician, politician in Yashi. Your uncle for Mexico, your uncle for more other countries are more profitable things. Today they are dying in jail. I didn't know binding say El Chapo. Uncle said, we munyano almost school, almost hostels, almost the almost boy minor. I didn't know binding said, no, we are going to protect them. No, because morally we need to understand, and Quran need to understand. Say crime is crime. Pablo, these are things you cannot. We don't have to even. This is the time we need to sit on TV and ask ourselves, hey, so we lived with people like that. We saw them. Why were we not taking action all this while? What happened? Who was in charge? For 8 years, all these things were going on. Why we not taking charge? Why were the Americans not coming in? This is the time to be asking these questions. It means you handed over power to people who were committing crimes with fraudsters. That is the danger. It's really a security aspect. That's how the TV so. That's how Bekase and Abu Treka and Akudubdon. Ask you the security aspect. The first question you ask yourself in your room is no. So this has been going on. So at this point, why are we seeing it now? Because from the records, from what we are seeing, this has been going on for years. For the past 8 years, there was a government in power. Why didn't we see this? Ask yourself as a security personnel. So imagine, Abiana boys way, with all due respect, not these people. Abiana Nkofobiti Ghana air build the atomic bomb, which they have learned on the internet. Abia Omuni so much knowledge. And that bomb they were building in their communities, a bit to me and nullify a whole community. Now, and they are for now. Were you people going to sit on TV and say, why are the Americans picking them away? Say, Obiti Ukrum, and a oye bomba, a bit to me nullify a kunipa bear 300,000. Ukrum. Now, and the what one is Americans naba. Omo detective say a group of boys and girls be build some kind of bomb. I don't know more building. They don't have any knowledge. So be a mistake it will be about 300,000 people would die in Ghana. Now FBI for Bowo Krumo say Sanko for identify almost satellite na chase almost yesterday. Are you going to justify? Are you going to sit and say I don't know what the man echo? That's not justify crime, guys. So also be TV so and also or radio so ekasa. Most of the people who speak on radio, I'm sorry, I don't know why today. most people who speak on radio and on TV, you know, they brain are doing juma. They brain mu how omunum we, omunum codeine, omunum red anopa. They brain no petition, no mun rubone no betina TV so anopa. And you'll be our suit or what tybiana or make it sense. Sometimes we tell you money be with TV, so I'll say, what is all this about? What is this? We get it. As I sit here, I'm catching Ghana for. A Juma Meye is to protect the NDC government. But the NDC government, you know, when they go wrong, I will not sit here and spare them. Into Mama will be able to stand where I stand when it comes to my job. But me having a soft spot for the NDC government does not mean to say, Obia nim say we enkoya na mabetena ha na me de Jimmy defend. It does not work like that. Rational human beings don't do that. As much as I like the president, his style of governance, the wisdom he's using in governing this nation, ye nyina ye dwumaden enya me nkwa nipa bebre obi aye bi e de NDC ba power no me akacha Ghana for say I am here to protect this government because I believe that this government can do better. They can basically help Ghanaians realize their dream. Inti me betana me kasa asem na it does not mean it says this government obi wum ana bibi koso na enye ya e was say me betana chinchina na me defend it. I don't do that. Me I don't do those nonsense. Now, me buy a video be actually muntie. Sometimes I busa say MPP for we no. Sanko for we no. Amount for na nom tena radio so kasa ma MPP for no. I no just say Ghana for nyina ejimi no. I na sometimes no ubusa say e die dro no ya omonnom ansa na oma ba radio so. Me hu ba ku bi nde mesre ya na me say how can this person be allowed to even speak on issues? Is it because when people are speaking on radio, no, how many intelligent? There's something I've realized in Ghana. So the TV so on radio so now when you can sama I am not nipa na can sama na dream so ni answer into automatically no I say reflect it na nipa no mutian so wait there on ni into onimnyansa because sometimes some people make some statement bia utubu say how ni ti ene na mo mam kwoti we Kessben FM abranti be say friend sikio say sik e friend suku I just a friend Sikio said, Bibi, Monkongo T. Bibi.
What you are born your DC as some worker? And dear part the chances second de Japan when you are back and pay the market de Japan or the catcher. What you also been Pabua Papua Samoaka? Any address of Samoaka? And dear part I bet me a convincement and I propose you say. Sanko for we back campaign. And dear Adiama Dr. Baumia Abua Papu. So simple. So about the NPP party now. This is what I'm suggesting. If they love the party and they think that's because of campaign, you know, or they have to run their people down to win power. Me say Ora de Japan win ya. All choose Sabira Baumia as a running mate.
Kessben 92.9.
I'm telling you.
Baumia, you right now?
Yes.
As running mate.
As a running mate.
Really?
Yes. The woman is a politician. One year, Onua, Omojira Muyen Hunu Omono, Obi Oha Nigeria on pep politics. The American artist, Obi to say, Brian wife. On the beach.
Lodina say on pep politics.
On baby on Namno, the two-man focus. Lodina does not like politics. Chebia protocol, Tino, Obi Dimechi, ye perceive who first lady. One yes, sir, Banana Quadrajima Rollis, Mihu Samira Baumia, and Nana Quadrajima Rollis, out Samira Baumia. And I would all indicators, be a permutation one partner compare kwa Japan and can NPP we a beton super dia guso Baumia ne partner. The American what I say to have a woman and a Muslim partnering and a Christian. Now, said Dr. Baumia Suwinia, which I know that he will win. Dr. Baumia will win. Said Dr. Baumia win here. I'm expecting say. So I'm fine a compare ko kase be o timi nusu a compare ko as a running mate, which we heard say the first one it was tender in but a compare could denied it. I know say o timi drop Napo because Napo will be maintained as a running mate. The American what I say, and I'm told say another of option say in team for drawing a Maakye should the Napo or amfana po a hode beko. But
how what the heck is this? How? Sometimes someone will say, well, no petition, but it's not TV. So, is there something wrong with them? What is wrong with these boys? Why? How? Yama Usikasebe campaign ma obi. What is this nasty analysis? Kessben mo na beso so san kwase asem we so. Inshira FM mo ne Adom TV. Listen to this guy. We enya petition wi any redder. Why pana? Hwa nkwase ade bi omoye. How do you even explain this? Say Kennedy Winia Uncle for Samira Baumia and running mate. Now we are Santiniba. Uncle for Samira Baumia and running mate. Because Ohu said Nana Kunedu Ajima Rollins was Samira Baumia. Like, are you insane? No, be so to also a friend host. Are you insane? Wait, Jimmy Guans, how did you get it? Like, what is calling for this? Because you want to project Samira. Now, who said Nana Kunedu Ajima Rollins? Samira, there's anything in Samira. Yet Nana Kunedu Nana Kunedu mo was Samira. Mudia ne what? Because Samira or Shesketa no applied it through. Like, how do you people think? It will be to Kumasna Utiwa. Waiting for MPP mra power ne krakra ne saying. Then he goes further to tell us to say Kennedy Japan Sebio Baumia esu winia, which he knows. Baumia winia. Baumia emfafa Kennedy. Now when say Kennedy and one hwa enye nti either say obe keeping napo ana obefa afenyo marking ana say ntim fodwo akwa wonum wi. We kura dey say we dey ye, we ankasa dey ye. Akwa we wonum red. Onum red ni appetition. Me kebibia. Wo ne nim kro ni ade. We onum appetition. We onye okay, onye stable. He has been looking for attention for all. Hey, akwa we watching TV so radio to. Op bibi onimu nyansa. Eche yankasa akokwa ne onimu nyansa. Eche yankasa obabi apon onimu nyansa. Eche yankasa obi akwasea onimu nyansa. What try for op attention on national why bibia. Hwankwasa keka. Samira Baumia. Kennedy Japan kofa Samira Baumia. And then the best solve MPP for problem no mu. Since Kennedy Winia, Uncle for Samira men running mate. Because you see Nana Kunedu Ajima Rollins in Samira and or Sayen Krimuni. Now one can say Ojunson on no mana. I am my children so good crab now sorry for 30 and one no mana. Are you okay? What is the head? Where is the head? Where is the tail? What are you? Well, hang we need to now the crack saying. So who are you trying to convince here? Who are you trying to convince? How can you compare Samira Baumia and say you see Nana Kunedu in Samira? Na Samira Baumia oba Ghana politics me dey no dey abeka ho. Ye ntia na Samira ko fa plane eko India eko hwe kunkumbajia. Na na mumu bodamana. We na mo pese mo de beji party no. Santie mu we ni enkwase akakasa we ni eye de enchim we na mo de chichire party. Is this what you people are saying? Say you are building a party? Into when now what kind of a guy need be to work as a NPP, young form of power. It's more you discover NPP for no us. I'm going to do it on bay. Kennedy Japan, Uncle for Samira, Uncle for Funu, Uncle the Funu the band, the running mate, a Funu. Are you insane? Sometimes let us be rational a little bit. Young first can tonche, you some watch them. Munye jume bia ni nyina say bekasa niam 20 Ghana bekasa niam 10 Ghana yate ase but don't disrespect the listeners. Don't disrespect the listeners. Don't disrespect Ghanaians. What are you trying to achieve here? What are you trying to achieve? Moko jisika samia ukunkwara we hwa na mabetena TV so exceptional MPs ye who be that metie samia uku and he was like aggressively we tie samia uku statement we tie kodo ponkroma se sia na MPP no se kan nipa 7 kra na kasa boys we ya and the MPP no betuma so we Jimmy What kind of politics are you people doing? What kind of cheap politics is this? If you people want to make arguments to bring the NPP back, be truthful to yourselves. Be honest to the people listening to you. Be honest to Asantefo. But this is total disrespect to your listeners. Samira oyenkribuni banti. Samira Edian, you see something Nana Kunedu in Samira anti. Enti Canada Japan cover Samira. That means you cry, don't respect us as a people. Jamaican Yinakosi say, you, this boy sitting there with him apa. You don't respect Ghanaians. Now you feel say any idiot can lead Ghana. Because when you people brought Kuffour, you brought Bawumia, and they came explicitly fooled themselves for 8 years. You think, say, Jimiama, we cannot reason again. So now you can just throw any trash to us. Enti yanko abontene ni yanko create impression we dey tutuma e be betuma aboa okoto we ato han mu onye se yejimi okoto ato moa mu emoa be na be se oto sa asem wetum akwa we di nam radio so tietiem tutu sogu nkofo ho onim bibia and omo react some nim bibia omo jimi chen bibia e kire nka se kotra ne onimare e ma kotra ne ye e kire nka se bonsu we dey apai onim bonsu we ho asem eche ankasa ye dokunu wei aso eto na hye onim time edi dokunu ndi si so onu ankasa ontumi enhwe ne ho ema ne ho ngina ne ho so edie nkwasi asem no and why don't you tell the husband to pair onu ankasa ne yire pair nembe ye Bawumia, and why don't you want Samira to pair Bawumia? Why Bawumia, Samira is not suitable when it comes to politics to pair Bawumia. Kennedy ne Jimmy on the pedi asay. Now what can say Junior and okay ansem way. Some person MPP neba power. Mummy nsuanya kakra. Mummy antina se honest to ourselves and the people listening to us. Pay attention too much. You have done everything for attention. And yentiemu atroning kwasake kanema ema onya attention e nyansen wo wutrim akwa we kote so baby kasa de bia no tietiem de bia no hanhanani obekasa 10 minutes 1 second pe na nyansen wo dia kanyina nkwase asem otiwe o static kasa na junso nyansa on se afi okasa ko enu se akwa we odwonso no onoma na. You people should stop this. You are young men. Atro ene maji we di nti mo twice mo di 50 mo nyina ma bon kokora. It is because of adwene bone a mo de nam e de na wo chechira ma Ghana fo e de pa na wo wunim e de pa nwoma pen pa na wo sua ye ne yensua bi a wa adwene ya wo so onim nyansa nti o so kɔ daada obi a e de sika wo sika se na wo hu wo $1 million da e wo account mu bi da. Bro, once nija trono. What kind of life is this? A time. Udu fia na juna wuro ntade na de sapotwa wase na wudware a. Na wa odwene de okeka ho na. Aya na hu se wo se kokuo. Udu fie na wuro ho nyina na wa wugina ho. Na wo de sapotwa wase na se bi okra oni shower. Na se wo sansuo bucket gu ho a. Na wa dwene en click se wo di nkwase asem. What do you want to get from this? Guys, Naposo Akasa and
the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kuffour, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.